Do you ever struggle to get your kids to eat their veggies? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you some fun and easy ways to help kids love vegetables. One great way to encourage kids is by making food fun. Try arranging veggies into smiley faces, animal shapes, or even a rainbow. Kids are more likely to eat veggies if they help choose and prepare them. Let them wash, chop, with supervision, or mix ingredients. They'll feel proud of their creation. Sometimes, a little veggie magic helps. You can sneak veggies into smoothies, pasta sauce, or even muffins. They won't even know they're eating healthy. Kids copy what they see. If they see you enjoying veggies, they'll want to try them too. Make it a family habit. Praise them when they try veggies. Even if they don't like it at first, keep offering different kinds in a positive way. Make it a game. Try a veggie challenge, where everyone picks a new veggie to try each week. Who knows, your child might find a new favorite. Remember, patience is key. Keep trying, stay positive, and have fun with it. Soon, your kids will be veggie lovers in no time.